Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make pâte sucrée, sweet pie dough. Okay, we're gonna start out with 90 grams of butter, softened, 65 grams of sugar, and we're gonna whip it up. And we got 3 egg yolks. We're gonna put them one at a time. Now we're going to add the flour, 200 grams. Scrape from the bottom. Want this dough to come together nicely. Okay, now, if you take a look at this, it's a crummy mixture, okay? But, if we ball it up and squeeze it together, bring it out on the table, push it together, pick up all those little tiny pieces. Doesn't look so crummy anymore. It looks almost like Play-Doh. Okay. Now we're going to form this into a nice disc. Okay, we're going to put it on our plastic wrap. Bring it out a little bit more because, we're going to make this into a pie later. One hour inside. Okay, I'm putting it out onto a piece of wax paper. With another piece on top. Roll it, turn it, roll it, turn it. Okay, this type of pie dough is like a shortbread cookie, okay? It's not like a regular pie dough. So, let's take this off. Let's turn this over. There's a place that's a little bit lower. Grab it, pack it in. Very, very tasty. Okay, now we're going to take it, pick it up, take our knife, and just trim the edge of our pie. We have to dock the dough. which means we're going to take a fork and we're going to poke in holes so that, and this is so the dough doesn't get steam underneath it while it's baking. Okay, we're going to put this back in the refrigerator for another 15 minutes, in the freezer if possible, and then we're going to bake it. Now that it's out of the refrigerator, I'm going to take aluminum foil, cover it lightly. I'm going to put it in the 375 degree oven for 15 minutes, and let's see how it looks. Okay, now we're going to take the aluminum foil off and go about 5 minutes more just to get it a little brown. Okay, let's see how it looks. Nice and brown around the edges.